Hello everyone, welcome to our programming lectures. So in this video we are going to discuss about another data structures of our programming, that is strings. So we have the concept of strings in all programming languages. Normally what is meant by string? It is a bunch of characters or it is a set of character variables. We call it as a string. So in our programming the strings is going to store the data in the form of a 1D representation. And here normally the strings has been enclosed with either single quotes or double quotes. Normally in C programming the characters has been enclosed with single quotes and the string values has been enclosed with double quotes. But when coming to Python and R programming, so here characters and string both has been enclosed with either single quotes or double quotes. Both are similar here. And normally in the string it is going to containing the text, also it is going to containing the numbers and spaces and special characters, so you can include any type of characters in a string. So normally here in our programming the strings is going to store as a double quoted values. Normally even if you give the string value with the single quote, but it will store it as a double quote value. So I will show you the difference. So let me explain you. Suppose I want to create string 1. String 1, for example, I'm giving hello. Hello. Suppose welcome to our programming. So this is a string I'm executing. So let's print this string 1. See, we are getting hello, welcome to our programming. So what I have been given here, I have given double quotes. Even the output also we are getting like using double quotes only. For example, what I do is here I use the single quotes instead of double quotes. I use the single quotes, and let me execute it again and execute this. See, even if you give the single quotes or double quotes, but the strings is going to represent by using the double quotes. Okay, so this is the more important point. And here assigning a string to a variable. So what we have done here, this is the string has been enclosed with double quotes, assigning by using the left word operator, and this is the string variable as we have been discussed. And this statement which is used to execute means it is going to get the output, right? And we can assign the multiple lines of strings to a variable. So let me show you one example. For example, here hello I am giving in first line, so I am enclosing with double quotes. Hello I am giving in first line, in the second line I am giving welcome to our programming, and in the third line our data structures, for example I am typing our data structures, and in fourth line strings. So this has been enclosed with the double quotes, right? This total we have, I have written a string in a multiple number of lines, and let's execute this particular string. Yes, now let's see the output. See, you see here after each end of the line the slash n is occurred in the output. Slash n is representing that, it is representing that the new line. You see here slash n and slash n is occurred at the each of the end of the line. So slash is representing that it is an escape character, and n is representing that new line. Okay, suppose I don't want to get this slash n, and I want to get the way I have given the string values. I have to get on the output as usual. Then what we have to use, we have to use the cat function. So you use the cat function, so then you will get as usual like a input that you have been given. See, however in which way you have been given, in the same way you are going to get the output with the help of cat function. Okay, this is a way you can represent the multiple line strings. So as I have discussed, we have to use the cat function. So to get the line breaks as you have been inserted at the same position in the code. Next, to find out the length of the character, sorry, strings, you need to find out the strings length. Then you have to use the function that is nchar. So directly, suppose I want to get the number of characters available in string 1, then you have to use the inbuilt function nchar, and you will get total 58 characters are available in the string 1. And for example, what I do is, let me create a string 2. Suppose here I am giving hello world. Let's execute this and find out the number of characters is available in string 2. The number of characters available in string 2 is 11. So let's count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even space is also one character. Space is also included, and the 5 plus 1 6 plus 5 11. Total 11 characters is available in string 2. And even one more way to find out the length of a string, that is the another function is string underscore length. But to use this particular function, we have to import the package that is stringr. You have to use the library stringr library that you have to use stringr. We have to use this particular library, and after that you can use the string length function str underscore len string length function. And now what you have to find out, suppose I want to find out the length of string 2, so 11 you are getting. So we have different ways to find out the number of characters or the length of the string easily. The next one is check whether the string is available. Suppose you have some substrings or any character values, so those character values or substring values is available in a string or not. To find out that, we have to use the grepl function. Let's see grepl. Suppose I am using string 1, so I need to find out a letter H is available or not. Just see, no, false. You are getting the output as false because it is not available. Suppose I want to find out, let's take the string 1. Suppose I want to find out whether the string data is available or not. Data is available. Let's execute this. So you are getting data is not available. Suppose I give any character, for example H. Let's take string 2. Let's take string 2 and let's check H is available. Getting false. Suppose let's give hello world as usual. Hello world as usual you give. See, you are getting true. Means the whole thing should available in that particular string. So this is the way you can find out. You can check the string which is available or not. So here this grepl function which is used to check if a character or a sequence of characters are present in a string or not. That it is going to check. Now let's see the escape characters. Normally, if you want to insert any illegal characters in your string, in that cases we have to use the escape character. For example, let's create a string 3. Suppose hi, hello. So here I want to give one more illegal character. Suppose how. I want to give an illegal character like this. Suppose I want to give one illegal character here. So what happens is here you will get the error. But instead of this, if you use any escape characters like slash is an escape character. If you use slash like this, so you don't get any error. See? So the way you are giving the string value you are getting as usual by using an escape character. So in this way you have to use this escape character. Even you can use the cat function to get the output like this. So here the slashes will be removed. When you are using the cat function, the slashes will be removed. You can see the difference between the previous output and the present output. In the previous output what happens, so the escape characters is also included, but here the escape characters has been removed with the help of cat function. And the next one is accessing the portions of an R string. So the R programming uses two functions, that is substr and substring. You can extract the substring from the existing string with the help of the index positions, mentioning the index positions. So here I have given the syntaxes substring, and the first argument that you need to pass the string variable name, and the second argument is the starting length, and last argument is ending length. So let's go for an example. Suppose we have string 2, right? String 2, let's execute as hello world. Now I want to use substr. So here I am using string 2, comma, the starting length is 2 and ending length is 5 that I am giving. Let's execute ELLO. I am getting ELLO. Suppose I use the another function, that is substring, and here I am using the first argument is string 2. Starting is 1 and the ending is 5. Let's see, hello, it is going to display hello. So this is a way you can extract the substrings from the existing string. And the next one is the case conversions. So means to convert a lowercase letters to uppercase letters or uppercase letters to lowercase letters, we have to use the case conversion functions. Actually we have three functions, that is 2 upper and 2 lower, and one more is case fold. For example, I want to convert the string 2 values into string uppercase letters. Then you have to use the function 2 upper. You can observe the output here. You are getting hello world. Suppose I want to convert into 2 lower. Suppose you use string 2. Already we have given in lower letters only. Even you can use the case fold function. So here the first argument that you need to pass string 2. So one more argument is upper. Upper is equals to, if you give true and false, you have to give with the capital letters. So this is the way you are going to get output. Means the values is going to display in a uppercase letters. So this is the way you can use the case conversion functions, that is 2 upper, 2 lower, and case fold. And one more important thing is the concatenation of R strings. So to concatenate means to combine two string variables into one string variable. You have to use the paste function. Suppose what I do is I want to combine string 2 and string 3 into string 4. So then you have to use the paste function, paste of str1 and str2. So already I have created two strings. Then you have to use the paste function. Yes, I have executed. Then execute str4 and print the output. You see, you are getting the output. Hello, welcome to R programming and R data structures. And hello world means 2 has been combined and stored in string 4, and it is going to give the output like this. So this is the way you can concatenate the elements. So for example, in this example, string 1 is given hello and string 2 is given world. So here it is going to give the print output as hello world. So thank you. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact, and you can ask the doubts in the comment section. Thank you.